One more English.
Hi, I'm. Listen. Hi, I'm. Say it. Nice to meet you. Listen. Nice to meet you. Say it. I'm from Japan. Listen. I'm from Japan. Say it. I live in Tokyo. Listen. I live in Tokyo. Say it. I work as a designer. Listen. I work as a designer. Say it. I like watching movies. Listen. I like watching movies. Say it. My hobby is cooking. Listen. My hobby is cooking. Say it. I'm learning English. Listen. I'm learning English. Say it. I'm not good at English yet. Listen. I'm not good at English yet. Say it. Let's enjoy speaking English together. Listen. Let's enjoy speaking English together. Say it. Hi, I'm. Nice to meet you. I'm from Japan. I live in Tokyo. I work as a designer. I like watching movies. My hobby is cooking. I'm learning English. I'm not good at English yet. Let's enjoy speaking English together.